Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get your Chime bank statements. If you don't have a Chime account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 when you receive your qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening your new Chime spending account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Before you proceed, a verification code will be sent to your phone number to help secure your account. Once you receive the code, enter it, then click on Verify. Once logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side of the screen. Click on the Statements tab. There, you will see all of your statements. Click on the Download button beside the bank statement you wish to open. Once downloaded, open the file. There you will see the whole report of your checking account statement. That's how you get your Chime bank statements. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.